Hello students, I am here to teach you an important concept of competitive exam. Welcome to Mathletes. We are going to see about Introduction of Organic Chemistry. What do you know about organic chemistry? Don't be fear about it. I will explain you about the concept in simple way of organic chemistry. The word organic indicates life. All the substance which were obtained from living organism. And what
plants
do you
and
know
animals.
about organic chemistry? There are largest number of organic substances such as sugar, starch, alcohol, etc. where we are using in day-to-day life. In 1975, Lemery published his famous Custody Chime in which he classified the natural substance, mineral substance obtained from mineral kingdom, vegetable substance obtained from vegetable kingdom, animal substance obtained from animal kingdom. 1785 Father of Chemistry, Lavoisier. All the substance, like carbon and nitrogen, from the vegetable and fruits. Based on reclassification of natural substance. Organic compounds. Inorganic compounds. Organic compounds obtained from the fruits and animals. Inorganic compounds obtained from natural resource. When the ammonium cyanate is heated as the carbon attached with oxygen and hydrogen are broke up and gives urea. By undergo isometric change. When an ammonium sulfate reacts with potassium perchlorate gives ammonium cyanate and potassium sulfate release. Lead chloride reacts with ammonium hydroxide it gives ammonium cyanate and lead hydroxide released. When ammonium chloride reacts with potassium thiocyanate gives ammonium cyanate and potassium chloride release. Volar synthesis urea and ammonium cyanate. Kolbe synthesis acetic acid. Berthelot synthesis methane. When carbon added with hydrogen by electrolysis give acetylene. And added with dilute sulfuric acid and mercury sulfate give acetaldehyde. And it is oxidized give acetic acid. The modern definition of organic chemistry. Carbon is important content of all organic compounds, so it is defined as chemistry of carbon compound. No single compound contains in carbon. Substance which is compound of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. In next class we see about another topic. Bye students.